Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with your camera at the Poco X4 Pro 5G. Okay, then let's go to the camera. And here the first thing I want to show you is for the shutter button, because you can do much more than just taking pictures. You can take also videos without going into the video part. No, you can take directly videos if you long press the shutter button, and then the phone can have video up to 15 seconds. You don't waste time with changing some settings and so on. Yeah? And yeah, the second thing I want to show you is here at the hamburger menu, we have a timer, very useful if you want to be also part of your picture, if you want to make maybe a group picture or something like this, and you don't want to have it as selfie, you can set up a timer here, no? Maybe a delay of 3 seconds or 5 seconds. So whenever you press the timer now, you will have a countdown with 5 seconds in that case. By the way, up to 10 seconds you can set up, and then then you will have your picture. By the way, you can use also the volume keys to have a little timer here. No? If you press one of the volume keys, it doesn't matter if it's down or up, then you will have always a timer of 3 seconds. Also very useful. And did you know that you don't use the full 108 megapixels here of your camera? No, you use just 16 megapixels. If you want to use the full 108 megapixels, you need to go here on More and then here on 108 megapixels. And only then you can have the 108, so the full 108 megapixels. But there are some disadvantages. You can only zoom in 2 times, and you have to hold also the hand very steady if you're taking a picture. And also the results with less light are not that great. This is the reason why I recommend to you the basic cam, because the pictures becomes also more dynamic and smooth and so on. And also if your hand shakes a bit, it's not that bad than in the 108 megapixel mode. But in case if you have good conditions and so on, and you want to have a very detailed picture with 108 MPs, you can use the 108 MP cam. And the next tool I want to show you is an awesome one, because you have a very intelligent assistant here at the camera. So it's Google Lens. So if you tap here on the square with a point in it, you can have Google Lens. So it's an intelligent system. It recognizes things. So if I put here the 2-cent coin and search for it, it will check in the internet and will give me the result. That's a 2-cent coin. Sometimes it's not 100%, but it's close to. And also here we have another coin and so on. But the system is still learning. But amazing that he can recognize a lot of stuff meanwhile already. So, and also if we're having here a battery, let's check here maybe with the battery. Then he's checking the battery, and he gives us here the options for the battery. So he recognizes many things, and also very useful maybe if you want to know more about the flower, something like this, just hold your phone on a flower. Or if you want to know more about buildings, hold the phone on the buildings and the phone will tell you more about that building. So this is the future. The system is still learning, but it's on a very good way. And you can do much more. That's the reason why the book is here. You can also recognize text. So if I hold my phone now here on the text, and if you tap here, you can select the whole text without writing word by word and so on. And you can also go here on, and that's crazy also, on listen, and the phone will, let me increase the volume, will read this book and so on. So amazing tool. So what you can do so much with. And also pretty awesome is you have a translating tool. If I go on translate, you can also translate stuff. As you have realized, the book is not in English, it's in German. And the phone is auto-detecting the language, by the way, automatically, and it gives you a live translation. How cool is that? You can use that perfect for your holidays, as well also perfect for your studies. And if you tap here on the shutter button, the phone will copy that text, and if you go here on listen, it will
on Sundays in the summer,
translate also the stuff with the audio file. Very amazing, and you can copy this, you paste it and work on it and so on. You can do a lot of stuff with, and this Google Lens system can also do more. So if I go here again on the search, you can read also, of course, QR codes. And maybe a good time now also to say thanks for watching Phones and More, because thank you so much that you have chosen my video to see some tips and tricks here for your phone. Yeah, let's come back to the camera. So there's a nice tool to quick launch the camera with just double tapping the power button, and you're immediately at the camera. But don't worry if this doesn't work at you right now, because you have to set it up first. Let me show you how you can do that. So for that, you have to scroll down right next to the camera. So just scroll down right next to the camera, and then you will have here at the control center always the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point. There's additional settings. Go to the point additional settings. And here we will have the point gesture shortcuts. And one of these gesture shortcuts is to launch the camera. And I recommend to you to enable here the first point, and like in my case here, so that is marked blue. Then whenever you double press now the power button, you are immediately at the camera, as we have seen. And what is also pretty great, this works also if our phone is on standby. If I just double tap the power button, I'm immediately in the camera without unlocking the screen and looking for the camera app and so on. And that saves a lot of time. And hey, may it saves also one day your great picture. And you can make slow motion videos with that phone as well. So for that, you just need to go on more and go here to slow motion. Okay, so I will move my hand quickly. I hope you have a better scene. Just go and start here and go on stop. Okay, this is how it works. Huh? I would recommend to you to go after here at the gallery, because you can also edit the screenshot after. So let me go here. On my last try, as you have seen, I had already some tries. Then go to the scissor, and then you have the option to work on it here at the editor of Poco. First of all, you can crop just a part here of the slow motion, that you just have the most interesting partner. And also here you have as well a soundtrack, in case if you want to put some music on it, because sometimes, or if you don't want to have any sound and so on, because that makes the video more interesting maybe, yeah? So you have a lot of stuff here. You can try a bit out, and maybe you have a great slow motion video after. Yeah, the next thing I want to show you is working also with the editor. No? Maybe if I'm taking here a picture with 2 coins. Let's try maybe you're taking a picture with 2 coins. Let's have a look at the light is great. Okay, we have also an option to do some nice stuff with it. No? So let's go here to the preview, and if I go here on the editing symbol, so the second one here, no? Then I have the chance to erase something here, and that is crazy. Let's try to erase here the 50 cent. Crazy, huh? Pretty crazy. This is how it looks like before. This is how it looks like after, and it's almost invisible. Huh? Almost invisible. As you really know, then you can see maybe something, but in that case, I know, but I don't see something. Awesome. So, and this feature, of course, you can use it in several ways. Maybe if you if you visit a city and you want to make some sightseeing and always someone is in front of you and so on, then you cannot have the building by its own. No, you can remove the persons after, and pretty crazy, and you see it works. And also that it's almost invisible. This, depending on the background and so on, but the software here is very intelligent. After, just go here on Save, and this edited part now is here also part of your gallery. Okay, let's go back to the camera, because I want to show you now a filter mode. You can do also nice stuff with you. If you go here on the magic stick, then you have also next to the normal looks, you can have also some more colorful looks and so on, and so much more. And also black and white stuff and so on. So depending on the situation and so on, so you can do a lot of stuff with it. And you have also here a beauty mode. You can beautify your picture and so on. But to be honest, you are beautiful like you are, and you don't need that beauty mode here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could show you something new here with. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.